All right. Hello, everybody, and welcome to a new training video. This training video is going to be about finding real estate attorneys. So instead of finding title companies or escrow companies, you could find an individualized experience with a real estate attorney who might know how to double close a little bit better than a title company would. So if you're not finding any luck with your title and escrow companies, give this technique a call and build a list from Yelp for real estate attorneys. You want to vet them with a couple simple questions. One, are you familiar with assignment of contracts? Oh, you are? Excellent. Put the check mark right here. Are you familiar with back-to-back double closings? Oh, you are? Excellent. Are you familiar with transactional funding? No. How do you handle non-refundable earnest money deposits? And then you get their opinion on that. What really matters is, are they familiar with assignment of contracts? Because that's what wholesale is. And are they familiar with back-to-back or double closings? And if they are, perfect. That is a title company you want to do business with. You're all good to go. Now, if the title companies don't have this information for you, we would be searching for real estate attorneys. Here's how you do it. Really simple. So you could simply type in real estate attorney San Diego. This is where I'm located. You would put your own city, of course. And then you're going to get this on Google. If you wanted to go through Google, Google and Yelp might be a little bit different. So you're going to see all of the listings over here of practicing attorneys at law. You can't really sort them by, I guess you can, 4.5 and up. There you go. So sort them by 4.5 and up, and these are all the good qualified attorneys. Look for ones that have more than 10 reviews, so they've actually been around for a while, and then give them a call. Another way is on Yelp. If you simply type in real estate attorney, click search. This is what you're going to get popped up with. So LOKK legal, you want to make sure it says real estate law right here, not estate planning, not probate, not any of that. You want real estate law, not just business law, but you want real estate law somewhere in there. So when you give them a call, you know they have to deal with real estate. So again, business law, litigation, real estate law. So real estate law right there. Good to go. All right, so we do want to narrow the results a little bit more. We want to do highest rated first. So now the best reviewed ones are going to pop up first. And then we want to go by real estate law. Make sure they are in the category real estate law. So now everybody technically should understand real estate law from our results here. So hold down Control and just open everybody into a brand new window. And then simply go back and forth, and copy paste all of their information into the spreadsheet here. So for me, I'm looking for their title first. I'm getting rid of the HTML, that's why I'm copying it up there. I'm going to copy the URL up top. Then I'm going to copy the phone number. And then how many reviews do they have? They have 50 reviews. So if I'm trying to decide between, okay, this person knows assignments, they know back-to-back double closings, they know what transactional funding is, and they do not, they take non-refundable earnest money deposits seriously, and they do not refund them. Great, that sounds like a perfect title company. And all of these do that. So which one actually has the most reviews? Okay, these two. So these are the two that I want to work with. That's kind of how you're going to be doing this. The reason why you're doing this spreadsheet, because you're going to contact all of these people and find out um, so many different firms that know how to double close, that know how to do assignment of contracts. And then what do? How do you pick which one you go with? Well, this metric is going to help. How many people have reviewed them to keep their high score? It's going to help a lot. All right, so if you want to find their phone number, we got the phone number. Send them a voicemail if right now because it's 8 p.m. Or you can get their email. How would you get the attorney's email right here? Well, here's a little life hack for that. So triple click, right click, search Google, type in Facebook after their name, and now you make sure they're in your region. La Jolla is right above San Diego. There we are. Click on that. And then you're going to scroll down and go to About on their Facebook fan page, and they should have a email. Bingo. right next to there. Triple click doesn't work, so I'm going to have to go right above it. There we go. So if I click on it, it opens up a new window there. All right, so now we have their email also, and boom. So now I can give them a call, leave a voicemail, and then I could email them and then follow up tomorrow and find out if they are investor friendly. So there we go. That's how you do it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Hopefully you got something useful from this video, and hopefully you can find your title company, escrow company, or real estate attorney at law. If you got anything useful from this video, feel free to give it a like right now if you haven't already. Drop down a comment below if you have any questions that are kind of confusing about how to do this research. Um, Other than that, have a great day. Thanks for watching.